I'm David Allan, I live in Rimmen. We purchased this Stiga lawnmower, which is our third Stiga from Fraser Robb. Quality lawnmower and good service. My son's Joseph, Joe Allan. He's 9 years old and loves to cut the grass in the summers here. Joe tends to do a better job than me, plus it saves me a job at night or at weekends, so it's handy having him cutting the grass nowadays. So. When you walk into the showroom at Fraser's, you always get a warm welcome. They're always actually quite glad to see you and pleased to see you. You get a bit of chat, whether it be Kate, Fraser, Lorna, Struan, or just some of the boys. You know, it's always a nice atmosphere, family atmosphere. So, and having known them for so long, they are kind of like family. Lorna, you due me a couple of pints for all the nice comments I've said.